Hello friends. So in this video I want to talk about two things. One is a mouse that I got and the other is a keyboard that I got, and I just want to quickly do a small video on this. Why am I doing this? I just wanted to tell about the experience I had. So I'm going to share my screen, my browser, and so I was checking out keyboards in the Amazon, of course, which is pretty popular. And I actually didn't notice these results before. It's interesting to see Zebronics for 300 bucks only and 650 bucks on Dell with Amazon's choice, and like 21K people and 27K people having used it, and 6K people talking about HP and for 589 bucks. Uh, and I actually searched for something else. I in my search term, so I'll show you that. And you can see a lot of these keyboards, and there's also Quantum, pretty cheap. So I was just looking for a very cheap, simple keyboard that works, of course, and is kind of like good quality. And that's all. It's like very basic, vague, description, and like pretty much what people say. A lot of people say, and this is what my dad wanted. Like he wanted it for office purposes, and he wanted it immediately. Like he wanted it yesterday, and I messed up, and I just got it today. And so let me actually show this term that I was typing out. So wired keyboard. I think I was typing out wired keyboard. And if you see, the first thing that you see for wired keyboard is Dell, and then the next one that you see is one second. I think I was looking for Logitech. Okay, weird. Maybe this is what I saw. Hmm. In my phone, when I was checking this, it actually showed me Logitech's K120, and now it's showing me Dell's KB216. Anyways, I'll just put Logitech for now and look at what the results show. And cool. So this is what I saw in my mobile. Probably Amazon doing its cool algorithm to keep showing different results for me. Once on my phone, and then I do again a research, show me something new which I haven't seen. So this is what I saw. Logitech K120. Logitech is pretty popular. Dell, Logitech, all of these are pretty trusted companies. Zebronics, I am sometimes not that into it. I mean, I'm not able to trust it so much, given the cost, but probably it's really good. I've got it a long ago for free, some Zebronics camera, but that's all. I don't think I've tried out much with it. But yeah, Logitech, I know it seems very basic and all, but works and pretty good. And I have a Dell mouse already, like over here, and I've also tried out, Logitech mouses also, and both have been pretty good for me. So, and I've also tried out Logitech keyboards, wireless ones, and wired. I can't remember much. I think I've tried it long ago, and of course Dell keyboards and all that. So it's pretty classic to actually get Logitech, Dell, and these kind of stuffs. And what else? HP also, yeah. HP, Dell, and all are like pretty classic computer accessory and computer thing companies. So Logitech, it says 785, and I wanted it today, like I said. And this one didn't even have like Prime thing. So my sister has Prime account, and I couldn't even like order it on Prime and like get it immediately, like say today or tomorrow or sooner. And they said, hey, you're gonna get it on April 13th, and it had a good offer, like 785 seemed really good. And I was like, wow, okay, cool. And a lot of people have tried it out. Some I noticed some 6K people. I thought it was awesome, but looks like HP and like Zebronics people have tried out 20, 27K people have tried it out. So that's pretty cool. But I just looked at this and I was like, okay, cool, awesome. Logitech and 6K people have tried it out. I saw some of the reviews and I was like, okay, the reviews look good. I'll just go ahead with it. And you can also see the Logitech M90 wired mouse, which is 364 bucks over here. And there's also Logitech V100 wired USB mouse, 3-year warranty, 800 DPI, which is 245. So this is, I think, I'm not sure DPI. Let me just check. Mouse DPI. I think it's per inch density, mouse sensitivity, dots per linear inch. Okay. I think it's the sensitivity. So more sensitivity, so you get it for more cost. So it's more better things like that. So this is 364 and this is 785, and you can look at the reviews. So I was looking at this, I was like, okay, but this is all nice, but I'm going to get it only next week. So how do I get it faster? So I was looking at other alternatives. Prime didn't work out. It said even with Prime, you will only get free delivery and you will get it only on April 13th next week. Today is April 7th, and I figured I'll go to Logitech website itself and then try it out. So that's what I did. So I went to their website and I clicked on so I clicked on shop and I went to keyboards and I chose corded, which is wired. And the only option that they showed me in the morning, at least, was this one only. Looks like there's more. Oh, this is not the Indian shop. This is the US shop. Let me get the Indian shop. How do I get the Indian shop? Let me check. Logitech India. So I can see it in like say rupees instead of like dollars. So keyboards and corded, and this is the only thing that they showed me. Yep. So this is 795 according to Logitech, but I couldn't buy it here. I think Logitech doesn't sell at least directly. They sell it through distributors. So if you notice on the top it says 795, and you click buy now, you see buy from IT Depot, buy from Golcha IT, and then buy from Amazon. So Amazon is this one. What exactly I saw, and then Golcha IT is another website, and I couldn't exactly trust it. I mean, I've never heard of it before. And IT Depot sounded something like I've heard before, probably online or on some TV series, but still couldn't trust it exactly. But in this case, you can see that, however, it's not even available. It says notify me and things like that, call for price. So I don't even know how it works here. And then I went to IT Depot, and then you can see in IT Depot that it's actually only 540 bucks according to IT Depot. So you save 255. I think today morning I saw some 580, 580, something like that. And but I wasn't sure how when it would deliver it to me. It was low cost, but I wasn't sure when they will deliver. I tried to do buy now. It said free shipping and then even cash on delivery and whatnot. And for my pin code, it was all available, but I couldn't actually. I mean, find out when they will deliver. When I went through all the process of like typing in all the details and my address and all that. So I was like, hey, I need it soon. So I figured I'll actually go to a nearby store and then go and get it. So what I did was I went to this store called Mercy Electronics, which is near my house. It's in Ananagar East. I mean, the Mercy Electronics is in Ananagar East. So let me show you that. Let me just go get that. Mercy Electronics. And cool, let me share my screen. So this is the place I went to, and Mercy Electronics. I'll put the link to this. And these people actually sell a lot of like electrical stuff, like anything related to computers or like say wires and things like that. And it's a pretty cool shop. They have a lot of branded products, and they also have like non-branded products, which are duplicates and like or fakes, which they just get because people sometimes just need some duplicates, or like for example, something's broken, say a AC remote, and you can't get the original. You just have to get something whatever you get. So or use your phone's infrared and whatnot. You just go here and you can actually get a duplicate or whatever, and it'll just work fine. It's cheap and like they work really well. And so today I called them up. They have a phone number. I called them up and I asked, hey, how much does this Logitech? I mean, how much does is there a keyboard? And I asked, is it Logitech? And then I asked if it's K120, and then I asked how much does it cost, and they said 590. Actually 580 or 590, something like that. So I was like, wow, okay. So 590, and then I realized that this is kind of like the IT depot cost. And if you notice in the and I went there and I got it, and I also wanted a mouse. My dad wanted a wired mouse. Also got that, the M90 Logitech mouse. And the MRP for these two, if you notice, I'll probably put a photo somewhere, or I can just probably show this very close. So it says 795 if you see here, and like wait, so if you see here, it will say 795, and that's pretty much what the Amazon thing says. And for the mouse, the MRP says 395 over here, and even online, if you see, it's 364 or something like that. But I got it for 300 bucks. So I got the 795 bucks MRP one for 590, and I got the mouse which is according to the MRP 395 for 300. I think this is like standard cost, and they still get a lot of profit from it. And it is original, and they told me that you can actually go get warranty if you want from Logitech. Like if there are issues, you just go to Logitech and they'll replace it for you. And you can see this firsthand in Amazon reviews where someone says they had some issue and then Logitech replaced the keyboard for them for free. And you have some 1 year warranty on the keyboard. I don't know what's the warranty on the mouse, and I still trust them. I think it'll work pretty much fine unless and until I just break it or put it in water or just do something crazy. So I just wanted to do this video to talk about how you can actually go to the official websites, like say Logitech's official website, look at some different retailers, check out some nearby shops to understand what's the cost there. Because places like Amazon, I think how they earn is like through this middleman thing, like wherein so this is only 590, but they get it for 795, and they actually say it's um, they actually say it's uh, how much, 1300 MRP, and then they say 795 is what you get for discount and 40% discount. Pretty interesting, but actually that's not true. I mean, like 795 is the MRP actually according to Logitech, and they give it for MRP price, and they get a lot of profit because however for 590 also they can sell. But yeah, so this is sold by Kharidiya.com, which is probably another website. And so yeah, I just want to say that this is probably for the shipping costs and whatnot, and for the trust and whatnot. But of course, if you trust some nearby shop, say, or something like Mercy Electronics, I would say just go for it. I would vouch for it. I've got a lot of things from Mercy Electronics, and it has worked pretty much fine for me. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.